In order to manage your event attendance on ExperienceBU, you'll want to select events from your organization tools list. You'll then want to click a current or past event. On this page, you will see all of the event details you entered into the system when you created your event. Under Event Details, you can see your status, visibility, RSVP settings, and attendance. If you select the blue button that says Invitations and RSVPs under Event Actions, you will see who has RSVP'd to your event if you have enabled that feature, as well as their response. On the top right-hand side of your page, you'll have the option to export your RSVPs into an Excel spreadsheet. You'll also have the option to invite people. You can invite users from your organization to your event, or invite users who are not in your organization roster by email. Remember, the system only recognizes Brock student and staff email addresses. It will not recognize Hotmail or Gmail addresses. If we go back to our event page, we can also select Track Attendance under Event Actions to manage our event attendance. By selecting Add Attendance, we can see our invitees and those who have RSVP'd to our event under Invitations. You can select Attended, Absent, Excused, or NA to describe the individual's attendance at the event, and you can also add comments like Scarlett arrived late in case you need to track that type of information. If you select Text Entry, you can enter up to 500 Brock email addresses, one per line, in the Attendees box. You can select the attendance status of the users you entered into the text entry box, and by selecting Add, those users' attendance information will now be logged and connected with this event. You'll notice there's an option that says Card ID next to email addresses. Card ID is in reference to the magnetic code on the back of a Brock student card. The 10 digits that start from 700 to the A on the back of a student card are the digits the system recognizes. You can borrow card readers from Student Life and Community Experience to track attendance at your events by emailing ExperienceBU@brocku.ca to request one. The final option we'll explore is the file upload option. This feature allows you to choose a file to be uploaded that contains the email addresses or student magnetic card numbers of individuals who attended your event. Note the file must be .csv or .txt format, and each line must only contain one magnetic card number or email address. Once you select Upload, your attendance is connected to your event. Attendance tracking is a very important feature of ExperienceBU. Through attendance tracking, you can ensure students receive co-curricular credit in the campus-wide co-curriculum. If you watch the Create an Event tutorial, you'll be shown where to find more information about the campus-wide co-curriculum to determine if your event connects to it. Attendance tracking is an important part of the event planning process because not only does it allow you to know how many students or attendees made it to your event, it is also a great way to forecast future engagement at your events and can be used as a way to build up an audience to market your future events and programming to, or to distribute surveys for event program and feedback. Tracking event attendance on ExperienceBU specifically also allows students to see their full event history of all the events and workshops they have attended. There are so many ways to track attendance at your events. For smaller events and workshops, asking students to sign in and provide their Brock student email using paper and pen is a quick and easy way to track attendance. For larger events or events with multiple entry points, tracking attendance using handheld card readers or card reader stands are both quick and easy ways to track large numbers of student attendees, and these can be borrowed from Student Life and Community Experience by emailing ExperienceBU@brocku.ca. If you have any questions about this tutorial, email us at ExperienceBU@brocku.ca.